Colleen Hoover has returned to Instagram after a 3-week hiatus linked to the legal dispute between her It Ends With Us co-stars, Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni. Upon her return on February 12th, she did so without any photos of the two stars from the film adaptation of her novel. Colleen initially stepped back from social media as tensions rose in a legal battle, which has seen Blake suing Justin for allegations including sexual harassment and retaliation. Recently, Blake's legal team filed a subpoena to obtain Justin's phone records, as confirmed by her attorneys, Mike Gottlieb and Ezra Hudson. They stated that this action aims to expose the people, tactics, and methods that have worked to destroy and bury her reputation and family over the past year. In response, Justin's attorney, Brian Friedman, commented that subpoenas are a standard part of litigation, but Blake's team is requesting an unusually extensive amount of information. They're asking for every single call, text, data log, and even real-time location information for the past 2.5 years, regardless of the sender, recipient, or subject matter, he said. This massive fishing expedition demonstrates that they are desperately seeking any factual basis for their provably false claims. They will find none. Following Blake's legal complaint filed on December 21st, Justin has countersued her for defamation and civil extortion. Throughout this turmoil, Colleen has publicly supported Blake. On her Instagram stories, she praised the actress, saying, "You have been nothing but honest, kind, supportive, and patient since the day we met. Thank you for being exactly the human you are. Never change. Never wilt." Colleen's return to social media and her support for Blake highlight her involvement in the ongoing situation.